When a behavior needs to change, we teach an alternative in its place. Same function, different way. Reinforce the skill we want each day. DRA, alternative behavior. Reinforce the replacement to change the pattern. Same function, safer choice. Strengthen the behavior we want to voice, yeah. Instead of problem behavior shown, we reinforce a skill that's known. Requesting help or asking for a break gets reinforced so change can take. The alternative must work as well, meet the same need, serve the same shell. If the function is matched just right, new behavior grows with reinforcement applied. Oh, DRA, alternative behavior. Reinforce the replacement, not the error. Teach what to do, make it clear. Effective change appears right here. Oh, replace the behavior, don't delay. DRA shows a better